Hello guys, this is Jetharam Chaudhary. I'm back with another video on advanced Salesforce learning. Today I'll be discussing how to get free subscription of Pluralsight for 3 months. Pluralsight is a web-based subscription-based site from where you can learn different technology, and Salesforce is one of them. I have been getting requests from multiple people that from that we have just started working on started learning Salesforce and from where we can get started. So of course there is Trailhead from where they can get started, but uh, Trailhead is more or less relevant for the admin people. So if you really want to get started working on coding part, then Pluralsight is a great website where you will find a lot of tons of videos on Apex, Sockle, synchronous batch processing and all that. So it comes up with $30 per month charges. It is a paid website, but you can get a 3 months free subscription for this for if you want to learn Apex or Salesforce for a short time. How we can do that? That is what we'll be discussing in this session. So first of all, you need to go to this site https://signup.live.com. So I will open this site here. So you need to provide your so first of all you need to create a new Microsoft account. So you can provide any email ID which can be any. It is not required, it should be corporate. So you can give any email ID. So you need to provide your password. You need to give some basic detail. So once you provide your basic information, it will send a verification code to your email, your provided email ID. Users need to copy that security code and provide here. So your Microsoft account is created. Users to provide your phone number. So it looks you have successfully created your Microsoft account. If you have an existing Microsoft account, then you can use it. Otherwise, you can create a new one. Right? Good. So once you created your Microsoft account, the next steps is to add your newly created Microsoft account to Visual Studio Dev Essential. So Visual Studio Dev Essential is an offering from Microsoft. So for that you need to go to this site. I'm copying this and we'll open this up in the new window, new tab. I will click on sign in. Uh, I will use I will use the account which I created this just in the beginning. This is my email ID, which was related to newly created Microsoft account. It is asking for some basic information, I think, which it got from its database because I have this account this email ID associated to my Microsoft account. So this is how I opened up this Visual Studio Dev Essentials. So I will go to this use your benefit link. As soon as I click on this use your benefit link, I will click on confirm. So here you will see multiple cards. So one of them is Pluralsight free for 3 months. So I will click on this get code. So I will click on this activate. It will open up a new tab. So here I'll go ahead and again provide the same email ID from which I created my Microsoft account. I will accept the terms and condition and will click on it. Click on to create my Pluralsight account. So you can see I have logged into my Pluralsight account. So here you can type your Salesforce Apex Academy. There are multiple courses offering from Pluralsight. So you can see there are multiple videos are there and which are really good. I would really highly recommend new peoples to go through all the videos. These are really interactive and helpful for the beginners as well as for the advanced developer. Okay, and if I show you my expiry date for this account, so this will be after 3 months from today's date. 1 minute, let me go back to my Tuesdays. uh, Let me go to home account. You will see subscription expiry date is March 16, 2018, which is 3 months from now. Okay, so just go ahead and start learning Salesforce here. Thank you very much.